Alright, let's continue. Today, Academic Daddy, in our last class, I showed you how to interpret this to find the longest carbon chain. Now, today, Academic Daddy will be teaching you everything about naming the compound. So, to name it, I'm going to go from this one, from this direction, because it's the longest this way. Two of it is the longest, but I want to go this way. So, if I'm going this way, I will have this numbered forward. Going forward, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now going backwards, the rule said find the longest carbon chain, number it forward and backwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now once you know this, now the next thing is to check the direction with the smallest number before the attachment. Now if I'm going this way from the down backwards, I see that the attachment is before 7. But if I'm going this way, I met a lot of attachments before this. For example, if I'm going this way, I met this. Anything that is not on the longest carbon chain is called an attachment, what you also call branch or substituent. And any hydrocarbon that you see that is not carrying only hydrogen, what you have around it is now substituent, and it means that it's an impure hydrocarbon. So this is an attachment. That's all. So since we are going in this direction, this and these are our attachments. Now how many carbons do I have here? This is 1 carbon here. This is 1 carbon here. 1 carbon, I told you 1 carbon means mets. And anytime carbon is an attachment, I told you call it Al, YL. That is belongs to a alkyl group, carbon, hydrocarbon that has lost 1 hydrogen. Now let's come here. I have this. This is 1 carbon, 2 carbon. 2 carbon is called eth. It's an attachment, YL, ethyl. Now, since we've noticed that the smallest number before this attachment is 2, because if we are going in this direction is 9, so we are going in this direction throughout. And once you're going in this direction, you continue with it. So this means that this happened at position 2 methyl. Now going again, this is now 4. This is 4 ethyl. Now, in alphabetical order, when you have E and M, E comes before M. So this is going to be 4. It's going to be 4 ethyl, 2 methyl. Notice the way I'm demarcating numbers from letters using hyphen. And notice that all my lettering is in small letter. You don't name hydrocarbons using capital letter. Now 2 methyl. Now since we know we've gotten the attachment, the longest carbon chain is 10. Now when the longest carbon chain is 10, it's called dec. Now since everything here is single bond, it's in. So 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, decane. So you need to know this. When it's 1 met, 2 et, 3 prop, 4 boots, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec, 11 on deck, 12 do deck, 13 trideck, 14 tetradeck, 15 pentadeck, 16 hexadeck, 17 heptadeck, 18 octadeck, 19 nonadeck, 20 icosane, and so on. So from 22 you have 21 you have on icosane, the do icosane, tri icosane, and the rest of it. So I believe you've learned something today. So attachment 2, 1 carbon methyl, then 4 ethyl. So when you put it together, decane. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and share.